Are you ready to take your SEO game to the next level? Semrush, the all-in-one digital marketing platform, is offering an exclusive Black Friday deal that's way too good to pass up. Not only can you access Semrush's premium tools at a discounted rate, but you'll also receive a free SEO consultation valued at $300. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a business owner, this deal will help you optimize your online presence and drive more traffic to your website. Let's dive into the details of this incredible offer. So first off, what is Semrush? Semrush is a comprehensive digital marketing platform that provides powerful tools for SEO, content marketing, social media, PPC, and more. Semrush is trusted by millions of marketers worldwide. It helps businesses of all sizes improve their online visibility and outperform competitors in search engine rankings. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to discover valuable keywords, track website performance, analyze competitors, optimize paid and organic campaigns, and improve content strategies. With an intuitive interface and robust analytics, Semrush makes it super easy to take control of your digital marketing strategy. Let's take a closer look at why Semrush is a must-have tool for anyone serious about digital marketing. Comprehensive keyword search. Discover high-performing keywords with detailed metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and CPC to boost your organic and paid search campaigns. Competitor analysis. Get insights into your competitors' strategies, including their top-performing keywords, backlinks, and traffic sources, so you can stay ahead of the competition. Site audit toolkit. Identify and fix SEO issues with your website using Semrush's automated site audits. It highlights errors, warnings, and opportunities to optimize your site's health and performance. Backlink analytics. Analyze your backlink profile and find opportunities to build high-quality links. Semrush also monitors toxic links to keep your site safe from penalties. Content marketing toolkit. You can create and optimize content strategies with tools for topic research, content audits, and SEO-driven writing assistance. Position tracking. Monitor your keyword rankings across search engines, locations, and devices. Semrush's position tracking keeps you updated on your performance and competitors. Social media tools. Schedule posts, track performance, and analyze your social media efforts directly from the platform. Okay, now on to the good part, how to get the deal and what's included. With this Black Friday deal, not only will you gain access to Semrush at a discounted rate, but you're also going to receive a free SEO consultation valued at $300. To claim this offer, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different plans and pricing options. Starting off with the Pro. This is $117.33 a month, but if you pay annually, you do save a little bit of money, but if you want to just pay monthly, it's $139.95 a month. This plan is for newbies and small teams, so 5 projects, 500 keywords to track, and 10,000 results per report. You also have access to SEO, PPC, and research tools, competitor analysis, keyword research, website audit, backlink analysis, advertising tools, and so much more. Next up is the Guru plan. And again, you can save money if you pay annually, and if you pay annually, it comes out to $208.33 per month. And if you want to pay just month to month, that would be $249.95. This is for agencies and mid-sized businesses. You get 15 projects, 15 keywords to track, and 30,000 results per report. You get all pro features plus content marketing toolkit, historical data, multi-location and device tracking, and Looker Studio integration, and more. Last is the business plan. If you pay annually, it comes out to $416.66, or if you want to pay month to month, it comes out to $499.95 per month. The business plan is for large agencies and enterprises, so you get 40 projects, 5,000 keywords to track, and 50,000 results per report. You get everything that's in the Guru plan, plus share of voice, extended limits, API access, PLA analytics, free migration from third-party tools, and more. How you can take action on the Black Friday promotion and how it works. So an expert SEO agency will help you grow organic traffic and leads with a custom analysis for your business and industry. Step 1 is to purchase a 3-month subscription. Then you will complete a survey on specific SEO needs. Then you will have an expert SEO agent analyze your website and goals. And then you will attend a free 1-hour consultation and receive a customized strategy. This is an opportunity you do not want to miss. And again, this is a limited time offer, so you want to make sure you are taking action on this as soon as possible. So if you're ready to transform your digital marketing efforts and take advantage of this incredible Black Friday deal, click our exclusive link in the description. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just want to thank you in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.